Hello everyone, welcome to the Unsalted channel. Today's video is about how to make homemade orange chicken sauce or just orange sauce for meat or fish. This recipe is easy to make and will only take you 15 minutes to prep, including the time cooking. The best part is that it's only have 9 ingredients to make this delicious, sweet and tangy sauce. The ingredients for orange chicken sauce are 1.5 cup orange juice. I use tropicana, no pulp. 1.5 tablespoon cornstarch, also with 1/4 cup water. 1/3 cup granulated sugar. 2 tablespoon cocoa amino sauce. 3 tablespoon rice vinegar. This is what I use. 1 tablespoon minced garlic. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, also minced. 2 tablespoon orange zest from 1 big orange, as you can see. And I use cod white fish instead of chicken, and also I have these spring onions for garnishing. So let's get started. To make the orange sauce, in a medium pot, add orange juice, sugar, vinegar, cocoa amino sauce, ginger, garlic, and red chili flakes if you are using. Mix to combine and heat the sauce for 3 minutes on a medium-high heat. This recipe sauce calls for red chili flakes, but I omitted it because my father-in-law and I both have sensitive tummy when eating spicy food. So you either add the red pepper flakes or omit it. Either way, it will still taste good. While waiting for the sauce to boil, in a small bowl, add water to cornstarch and mix well to combine and set it aside. Once sauce started to bubble, give a little stir, then add cornstarch mixture to orange sauce and whisk together. Continue to cook for 5 minutes until mixtures begins to thicken. Once the sauce is thickened, add orange zest, stir to combine, and let it boil for a minute, then turn the heat off. You can either pour over top crispy fish or toss chicken with orange sauce. You may reserve some of the sauce to place on rice. Serve it with sprinkling of green onion and orange zest if so desired. Thank you for watching the Unsalted Kitchen channel again. If you liked this video, then hit like, share, subscribe, and click the notification bell to get updates for new videos. Also, I would love to read your comment, so please tell me what do you think about this video. Thank you. See you later.